Hello guys and welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can import Excel data into Google Sheets desktop. So let's get started. So first of all, you're going to simply head over to Google Sheets and then you're going to click on blank spreadsheet if you want to do so. And then once you're here, you're going to simply click on file at the top left and then you're going to click on import. And here you're going to simply navigate to your Excel sheet from your device. So you'll be able to see the information from your drive, shared with me, recent, or upload from your PC. So let's say we're going to go with the My Drive one. So I have an Excel sheet in my drive. So I'm going to click on Insert over here. And then you'll be able to see it says Create New Spreadsheet, Insert New Sheets, Replace Spreadsheet. And it's basically XLSX. And then you're going to click on Import Data and just wait for it to import the data. Once done, you can see that the Excel sheet has successfully been changed into Google Sheets. So that was how you can import Excel data into Google Sheets desktop. So if you found this guide helpful, please consider subscribing and leaving a like. It really helps me out and I'll see you next time.